If your account in trouble signing up with Clickbank, this is the solution for you. Just follow these steps here. So, clear cache and cookies. Outdated browser data can sometimes cause website glitches. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Then try signing up again. Try a different browser. In case the issue is browser specific, try sign up using a different browser like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions may interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions you have installed and attempt signing up again. Check for JavaScript errors. JavaScript is essential for many website features. Ensure JavaScript is enabled in your browse settings. Ensure strong internet connection. A weak internet connection can disturb the sign-up process. Verify you have a stable internet connection before you try to sign up on Clickbank. So, Clickbank specific troubleshooting. Check Clickbank status. Occasionally, Clickbank may be experiencing temporary maintenance or outages. You can check their social media pages or online forums to see if others are reporting similar issues. Review sign up information. Double check that all the information you're entering during the sign up is accurate and matches your government issued ID. Typos or mismatched information can cause errors. Support the countries. Clickbank may not operate in all countries. Check their website or support resources to confirm Clickbank is available in your region. Advanced troubleshooting. If basic steps fail, yeah. Incognito and private window. Try to sign up using your browser's incognito or private window mode. This can rule out issues caused by browser extensions or cache the data. Contact the Clickbank support if nothing works. To consider, just contacting them directly. They can investigate the issue further and provide more specific guidance based on your situation. Here's the Clickbank support page. Just just go clickbank.com/support/. That's basically it. I hope this was helpful. If so, smash that like button and see you in the next guide.